Кто там? Нет.
So this is immune support daily throat spray, and we use it when the weather is kind of chilly and cold and flu season is beginning. So this is pretty good sort of self-defense immune support spray. And just spray it in your mouth and try to like hit your throat, and we love it. We do it before bed. And looks like this guy really loves it. Я посмотрю. Ingredients do we have here? Here are the ingredients, and looks like bee propolis. How do you? I'm not sure how to say it. Propolis extract. Suggested use a spray 4 times in your mouth as needed. We love it and recommend.
Не получается. Вот это. У мене